Scientists are one step closer to printing fully functional human organs. At Harvard's Wyss Institute, researchers 3D printed tissue made from living stem cells, complete with blood vessel networks that keep the cells alive. The technique, called bioprinting, layers cell ink just like a printer, but instead of plastic, it builds muscle, skin, or even heart tissue. In early tests, printed organs survived for weeks and responded like real tissue. One day, hospitals might print organs on demand. No donors, no waiting lists.